Welcome to this tribute tonight. This is a very special night where we give a tribute to the love and soul of music, the happiness of music. You're here with my man, Mr. Michael Robinson. I'm your MC, Ron Carroll. And tonight is a night where we share this love together. We flow together. We groove together. Come on. Love is in the air. If you feel that, raise your hands in the air. Let's do this thing. Come on. So much peace, so much love, like back in the days. So clap your hands with us. Join in this tribute of love, of sound, of music together. Come on, y'all.
Here we go again. You know this world is crazy. You never know, and you just can't be lazy. Spend a little time with the one who loves you. You never know just where this world will lead you. Need a little air to get this weight off my shoulders.